Hey guys, it's Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. Here is the video that I promised you, kind of showing you what I do and how I do it, and how I work with general contractors and bring them more business. All that I ask is that you give me some feedback after this, either via email or phone call, and just let me know, what your thoughts are on this. I'll follow up with you guys tomorrow morning at about 9 or 10 a.m. just to kind of see what your thoughts are as well. So let's jump right into it. The general gist here is to rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched by other consumers. And I know that these specific keywords are being searched because I use this tool called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 150 people every month searching for just this specific keyword alone. There's about 3 keywords here that total about 260 people every month that are actively searching for a builder / renovator in Miami every month. Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is the 3 main ways that we can get your website ranking in Google for those select key terms. And the first thing is the content on your home page. So if we copy everything that you see here, including what the images are saved as, and we throw it into this word counter, it shows us that you have about 162 words on your home page. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, and they want it to be kind of sprinkled with these specific keywords in order to make you more relevant to the search term. Okay. The second thing that I'm going to show you is this. If we take your URL and we throw it into the back end of Ahrefs again, it'll show us the back end of your website. And as you can see, your backlinks here, you have quite a bit of them coming from a small amount of people, which means that there's kind of spammy links coming from these. And basically all a backlink is one website linking to yours, which passes power and relevance. Okay. And so as you can see, there's 82 people giving you 613 backlinks, which is a lot coming from that little bit. So they are a little bit spammy, and that's probably why your trust flow, which is what this number is kind of low. So Google doesn't trust your site yet, and that's why you're not ranking there. Okay. So we can go in here and throw some really good trustworthy links at your site, and then you'll be able to start ranking in Google. The third and final thing has everything to do with this Google Map Pack here, and I'm going to use one of your examples, GMB, one of your competitors as the example, and they have right about 40 citations, and all a citation is your business name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, which bring you relevance to this Google My Business page, and it kind of verifies your business in that sense as well, not just in Google's eyes, but also through the consumer's eyes. And so the more citations you have from quality sources, you're going to be able to rank in this, which brings you about a 65% conversion rate of all these people that are actively searching for you. So that concludes the video. I hope that this was informative. Again, all that I ask is that you just give me some feedback on the video and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.